Welcome to Trivia on Tap, where we prepare you to win bar trivia and increase your general knowledge. Subscribe for daily trivia videos and comment below with how many answers you got correct. Let's get started with some biological discoveries trivia. Who is credited with the discovery of penicillin? Is it A. Albert Einstein, or B. Louis Pasteur, or C. Alexander Fleming, or D. Robert Koch? The correct answer is C. Alexander Fleming. Which letter is A, B, C, or D? Remember to type one for each response and state the word "or" between each possible solution. Who discovered the blood groups A, B, and O? A. Louis Pasteur, or B. Alexander Fleming, or C. Carl Landsteiner, or D. Edward Jenner? The correct answer is C. Carl Landsteiner. Which scientist is known for the theory of evolution by natural selection? Is it A. Isaac Newton, or B. Albert Einstein, or C. Galileo Galilei, or D. Charles Darwin? The correct answer is D. Charles Darwin. Which of the following individuals discovered the circulation of blood? Is it A. Leonardo da Vinci, or B. Hippocrates, or C. Galen of Pergamon, or D. William Harvey? The correct answer is D. William Harvey. Which biologist proposed the germ theory of disease? A. Albert Einstein, or B. Louis Pasteur, or C. Charles Darwin, or D. Isaac Newton? The correct answer is B. Louis Pasteur. Who is known for the discovery of the malaria parasite? Is it A. Richard Ross, or B. Louis Pasteur, or C. Robert Koch, or D. Alphonse Laveran? The correct answer is D. Alphonse Laveran. Which possible solution lists the person who first discovered the bacterium that causes tuberculosis? Is it A. Louis Pasteur, or B. Joseph Lister, or C. Robert Koch, or D. Alexander Fleming? The correct answer is C. Robert Koch. Who is credited with discovering the vaccine for smallpox? Is it A. Edward Jenner, or B. Louis Pasteur, or C. Jonas Salk, or D. Alexander Fleming? The correct answer is A. Edward Jenner. A. Which scientist discovered X-rays? Wilhelm Röntgen, or B. Isaac Newton, or C. Albert Einstein, or D. Marie Curie? The correct answer is A. Wilhelm Röntgen. Who was the first to identify and name cells? Is it A. Charles Darwin, or B. Robert Hooke, or C. Louis Pasteur, or D. Gregor Mendel? The correct answer is B. Robert Hooke. Question: Who discovered the principles of genetic inheritance through pea plant experiments? A. Louis Pasteur, or B. Charles Darwin, or C. Isaac Newton, or D. Gregor Mendel? The correct answer is D. Gregor Mendel. Which letter it is, either A, B, C, or D? A. Albert Einstein, or B. Max Planck, or C. Rosalind Franklin, or D. Charles Darwin? Who discovered the structure of hemoglobin? The correct answer is B. Max Planck. Which mammal was first cloned from an adult somatic cell? Is it A. Craig Venter, or B. Ian Wilmot, or C. George Church, or D. James Watson? The correct answer is B. Ian Wilmot. Which scientist discovered prions? Is it A. Francis Crick, or B. Albert Einstein, or C. James Watson, or D. Stanley Prusiner? The correct answer is D. Stanley Prusiner. Which letter it is, either A, B, C, or D, is followed by the word "or" between each possible solution? A. Charles Darwin, or B. Lynn Margulis, or C. Richard Dawkins, or D. Albert Einstein? Who proposed the endosymbiotic theory? The correct answer is B. Lynn Margulis? Who developed the first successful polio vaccine? A. Louis Pasteur, or B. Alexander Fleming, or C. Albert Sabin, or D. Jonas Salk? The correct answer is D. Jonas Salk. Which letter represents the possible solution? Who discovered the phenomenon of bacterial transformation? A. Robert Koch, or B. Frederick Griffith, or C. Charles Darwin, or D. Louis Pasteur? The correct answer is B. Frederick Griffith. Who discovered the restriction enzymes? A. Hamilton Smith, or B. Charles Darwin, or C. Rosalind Franklin, or D. James Watson? The correct answer is A. Hamilton Smith. Which scientist is known for discovering the function of telomeres? A. Rosalind Franklin, or B. Elizabeth Blackburn, or C. James Watson, or D. Marie Curie? The correct answer is B. Elizabeth Blackburn. Who discovered the process of photosynthesis in plants? Is it A. Isaac Newton, or B. Charles Darwin, or C. Jan Ingenhousz, or D. Albert Einstein? The correct answer is C. Jan Ingenhousz. Who first described the concept of homeostasis? Is it A. Isaac Newton, or B. Charles Darwin, or C. Walter Cannon, or D. Albert Einstein? The correct answer is C. Walter Cannon. Which scientist discovered the neuron as the basic unit of the nervous system? Is it A. Ramon y Cajal, or B. Louis Pasteur, or C. Charles Darwin, or D. Albert Einstein? The correct answer is A. Ramon y Cajal. Who discovered the bacterium Helicobacter pylori? Is it A. Barry Marshall, or B. Louis Pasteur, Robert Koch, or D. Alexander Fleming? The correct answer is A. Barry Marshall. Which scientist discovered the structure of the ribosome? Is it A. Ada Yonath, or B. Linus Pauling, or C. Rosalind Franklin, or D. James Watson? The correct answer is A. Ada Yonath. Which scientist discovered the lysosome? Is it A. Christian de Duve, or B. Charles Darwin, or C. Louis Pasteur, or D. Albert Einstein? The correct answer is A. Christian de Duve. Which of the following scientists discovered reverse transcriptase? Is it A. Howard Temin, or B. Francis Crick, or C. James Watson, or D. Rosalind Franklin? The correct answer is A. Howard Temin. Which letters A, B, C, or D represents the person who discovered the structure of chlorophyll? Is it A. Charles Darwin, or B. Richard Willstetter, or C. Marie Curie, or D. Albert Einstein? The correct answer is B. Richard Willstetter. Who identified the molecular structure of antibodies? Is it A. Linus Pauling, or B. Gerald Edelman, or C. Francis Crick, or D. Rosalind Franklin? The correct answer is B. Gerald Edelman. Which scientist discovered the principle of competitive exclusion? Is it A. Charles Darwin, or B. G.F. Gauss, or C. Albert Einstein, or D. Isaac Newton? The correct answer is B. G.F. Gauss. Which letter it is, either A, B, C, or D, have the transcript say the word "or" between each possible solution? A. Charles Darwin, or B. Sewell Wright, or C. Gregor Mendel, or D. James Watson? Who discovered the phenomenon of genetic drift? The correct answer is B. Sewell Wright. Which letter it is, A, B, C, or D? Question: who discovered the blood-brain barrier? Possible solutions: A. Robert Koch, or B. Louis Pasteur, or C. Paul Ehrlich, or D. Alexander Fleming? The correct answer is C. Paul Ehrlich. Which discovered the role of the pancreas in diabetes and its possible solutions? A. Frederick Banting or Nikolai Vavilov, or C. Oscar Minkowski, or D. Edward Jenner? The correct answer is C. Oscar Minkowski. Which letter is A? Who proposed the theory of punctuated equilibrium, or B. Stephen Jay Gould, or C. Albert Einstein, or D. Charles Darwin, or E. Richard Dawkins? The correct answer is A. Stephen Jay Gould. Which letter is the first virus, tobacco mosaic virus, and its possible solutions? A. Louis Pasteur, or B. Edward Jenner, or C. Dmitry Ivanovsky, or D. Robert Koch? The correct answer is C. Dmitry Ivanovsky. Which scientist discovered the importance of vitamin C? Is it A. Louis Pasteur, or B. James Lind, or C. Albert Szent-Györgyi, or D. Robert Koch? The correct answer is C. Albert Szent-Györgyi. Who discovered the enzyme DNA polymerase? A. Arthur Kornberg, or B. Francis Crick, or C. James Watson, or D. Rosalind Franklin? The correct answer is A. Arthur Kornberg. Who discovered the role of ribosomes in protein synthesis? A. George Palade, or B. Rosalind Franklin, or C. James Watson, or D. Franz Lehmann? The correct answer is A. George Palade. Which famed scientist discovered the importance of folic acid? Is it A. Albert Szent-Györgyi, B. Lucy Wills, C. James Watson, or D. Rosalind Franklin? The correct answer is B. Lucy Wills. Which of the following scientists discovered the bacterium that causes syphilis? Alexander Fleming, or B. Louis Pasteur, or C. Fritz Schaudinn, or D. Robert Koch? The correct answer is C. Fritz Schaudinn. Who discovered the hormone melatonin? Is it A. Albert Szent-Györgyi, or B. Aaron Lerner, or C. Andrew Schally, or D. Charles Best? The correct answer is B. Aaron Lerner. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.